If you're gonna shoot any kind of photography of lights, it definitely will help if you have a tripod, number one, but when you hit the shutter, instead of the whole thing rocking because you hit the shutter, if you have one of these that I got for like $8 from Amazon, a little remote control. So now I can set the camera up, set up my stuff in the photo box like I'm gonna do right now and show you guys, and then I'll hit the button and it'll take a perfect picture with zero movement whatsoever to the tripod. Let's go do it.
Day 2.
I can't believe it's already been 2 months, but that's how long ago I bought this box specifically for photography and video. And when I bought it, I didn't realize that it was gonna be massive. Like, I thought this thing was just gonna be a little bit bigger than the kind of standard size ones. When you shoot lights, like a headlight and a tail light, or you know, a set of headlights, set of tail lights, something, you gotta have a lot of space because otherwise they're gonna be maxing out the size of photography box. I ended up being very happy with the size of this thing. It just happens to be kind of like take up a whole room at the shop. So here's some footage of when I actually took the thing out of the box. This is what it would look like if you bought the 5x5 cube like I did, and the surprise that I got. Wow. All right. That is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. That's what she said. You know what I'm saying? Whoa. Damn. Oh, I'm gonna have to shoot pictures of my kids in this. Alright, so that was helpful information, just knowing what kind of stuff that you can buy. I think that thing cost me $60 and it's a 60" by 60" cube. It's crazy how much better my photography and video of the finished products are, as well as just like a little bulb, a headlight, whatever I need. I could stick it in there really quick, turn up that brightness like I said, and shoot really good pictures. All right, so this is pretty cool. If I just use my regular phone and I take a picture, you're not gonna see like a really good outcome because you've got all the little creases and stuff in there, right? But if all I do is just click and hold on something, it's gonna let me increase the brightness. I could take a picture and the background is just totally blown out. So since I'm getting a hot spot on this side, I'm just gonna move that light right there a little bit and see if I can kind of get a better overall brightness without blowing out that little section of the headlight. All right, so again, I'm just gonna hold the button down. I'm gonna increase the brightness with it locked so that it doesn't adjust as I move the phone around. I can get a way better picture. Ready to go for Instagram, whatever. It's just a much cleaner picture than if there was like a bunch of crazy stuff going on in the background or like a beach towel or something. So if it helps, let me know. Just comment below if you end up going and purchasing. It's gonna help me out because I get a little kickback from Amazon if you use any of my associate links down below. So do that, hook up your boy Chris real quick. And if you wanna see future videos where I kind of talk more about kind of like the editing style and the stuff that I can do with the camera, with the cell phone, for Instagram, for YouTube, all that, I can just make a quick little walkthrough video that shows you guys here on YouTube how I've done things in the past, as well as the guys that are in my online course. We're gonna get a full deep dive training on all things that I've done in my experience so far using stuff like this. And every time we add a little component, like a new piece of gear or anything, it just ups the game of the whole effort. All right guys, that's it for this one. Let me know if you wanna see more content specifically around photo, video, stuff like that. Just let me know in the comments below and hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you're not already, and I'll catch you guys next time.